Now, Office 2016 has introduced many new features, and in PowerPoint there is a new transition which is called morphing, and this is very useful when you want to move from not just one slide to the next, but you want those objects on that slide to very carefully move to a different position. So it's a very slick type of transition. To show you how this works, what I'm going to do is I have a slide here and I'm just going to insert a shape. So let me just insert a circle or an oval shape. And it may be that what I want to do is move this. So rather than using an animation where it moves one to the other, I'm going to use the morphing transition. Now what I need to do is make another slide. So I'm going to just duplicate this slide. So I'm going to use, I've selected the slide on the left, and I'm going to use Control D, which is actually a very quick way of duplicating. Now, because I'm using the recording software, it's not allowing me to do Control D, but you can also do this by a right mouse click and going down to duplicate slide. So it's exactly the same. So on this second slide, I'm going to move the object to where I want it to appear from when it's animated. So I'm only working with just one object. I could have several here. I could have lots of different circles and they would all be moving around almost like they're spinning in some way, but I'm just going to do it with one. Now you apply the transition to the second slide, so I'm going to make sure that the second slide out of the two on here, so I'm going to make sure that one is selected, and I'm going to go to the transitions ribbon, and I can see that it's actually my second transition along, and I'm going to choose morph, and as soon as I click it, it will show you what will happen. So I'm going to click, and there it is. So it's a very slick, quick movement from one place to another, and that's available in this version of PowerPoint 2016.